Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is John Boat, and today I'm going to be styling outfits for music videos. So let's dive straight into it. Alright, so for the very first outfit, we got the Guava outfit from I'm the Only One. Out of all the outfit I tried to put together so far, this one is one of the best, most clean, and most crispy. I love everything about this outfit. It looks simple, but yet expensive. So I started off with a plain white t-shirt, just a regular plain white t-shirt, then a plain white jeans jacket. Then I follow up with a chain, then a blue wash. I use the blue wash so it looks more vibrant. Then I follow up with a plain white jeans. You can see how it looks. It looks very clean, very nice, very expensive. You can tell just by looking at it. It looks gallant. It looks nice. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So moving on to the next outfit. Right, next up we got the other baby outfits from this video ball if I want to, and for this one I tried to restyle almost all the outfits in the video, down from the baseball jacket to the green jacket to the hoodie and to the shorts. The only thing I didn't try to copy was the chain, because when it comes to chain, that baby's on a whole different level. Now moving on, especially baseball jacket. The baseball jacket is one of my favorite piece of outfit I like putting on during the weeks. So for this I'm going to give it like a solid 7.5, because I felt it deserve it, because the baseball jacket is alone, it has its own statement. So that's what I'm going to give it 7.5. And moving on to the shorts and to the green jacket, I'm not really a big fan of putting on shorts, but the way that baby styled it was nice, so I have to try it. So I'm going to give the short like 7 points, not a 7, like a 6.5, because I'm not a big fan of putting on shorts. You don't really look more mature in them, so that's I'm going to give it like that. Next up we got the baseball jersey from the Polo G video, Black Hearted. And the reason why I chose this jersey is because I already had this exact type of jersey in my closet, so I felt like it was a win-win. So I started off with the baseball jersey, the brown jeans, and the Air Force. So not too crazy, not too much. The very simple outfit to put together. All you need is a stereo piece of materials. Most importantly, you need a white Air Force, because the white Air Force is going to bring out the beauty in them. So moving on to the next outfit. On the top of the pyramid, we got the Letitia jersey from his video headshots. This is one of my favorite jerseys from Letitia. I've gone through his Instagram, and this outfit is one of the best so far he has put together. So I started off with the long white turtleneck, the rose jacket, and the orange watch. Now the orange watch and the rose jacket play a very key role to this dressing, because these two bring out the colorfulness in it. Then I follow up with the white jeans, then with the chains. That was it. It's a very stylish, decent, expensive, colorfulness type of dressing. It stands very out when you go to the crowd, when you go to any type of occasion. It stands out. So shout out to TJ for putting this best outfit together. This outfit on its own, it's a masterpiece, a masterclass I have seen. So that's it for this video. So if you like my video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for the next video. So stay tuned.